Hello students, good day everyone. Welcome to Advocate Bapu Saheb Bonde High School. Today we are going to see EVS Standard 2nd, chapter number 19, the seasons. Okay. So before we start our lesson, the season, children, can you tell me, do we have same season throughout the year? No. The seasons are divided into different months. Yes. So we have different season in different months. Okay. So we will start a lesson. First we will read chapter number 19, the seasons. We know that there are 12 months in a year. Some months are hot and some months are cold. Some months are neither hot nor cold. Some months are rainy. When the weather remains the same for more than 1 month, that period is called a season. There are 3 main seasons in India. Summer, or the hot season from April to June. Monsoon, or the rainy season from July to September. And winter, or the cold season from December to February. So children, we know that there are 12 months in a year. We see some months are hot and some months are cold. Sometimes we don't feel cold, at the same time we don't feel hot. Some months have rainy. So what is the means of season? When the weather remains the same for the more than 1 month, that period is called season. In India, the weather stays same for the more than 1 month, which is called season. Now we will see seasons, main seasons. There are 3 main seasons. First, summer season. Second, rainy season or monsoon season. Third, winter season or the cold season. So these are 3 main seasons in India. Now we will talk about summer season. During summer, the air is very warm, the days are long and the nights are short. We wear light and loose cotton clothes. We use fans, coolers and air conditioners. We enjoy having cold drinks, lassi and ice cream. So children, this is the hottest season of the year. The days are long and nights are short. We use fans, coolers and air conditioner to feel cool, and it keeps us cool. We wear loose clothes and cotton clothes in summer season. We also enjoy and we like to drink cold drink. We eat ice cream and lassi. Now we will see about monsoon season or rainy season. In the monsoon or rainy season, there are dark clouds in the sky. The rain comes pouring down. We use umbrellas, gumboots and raincoats to protect ourselves from the rain. So children, in the rainy season, we see there are dark clouds in the sky. And it is time to wear our raincoats, gumboots to protect ourselves from the rain. The rainy season brings rain and strong winds. There is a green grass everywhere. So thank you children. I hope you understood this topic, the seasons. Rest of the part we will continue in our next video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.